Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, let's find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom right here. Next one is on top of the screen right here, and that's basically all of the speakers. To determine if that's a stereo speaker, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out after the ads. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and this device does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.